Hi, welcome to Scuba. This is Atomic Z3 Regulator. It's a really high quality, high performance, fully balanced regulator. It's really top of the range sort of brand of all regulators. Everything about this brand is about performance and about reliability and service life. So they go into real detail about how they design it, the materials they use to accomplish a long service period. It's 3 years in this particular case, or 300 dives, and sort of a longer life, better performance over that service period. So we start at the first stage. It's a shorter barrel, balanced piston design compared to some of the other atomic regulators. It still has all the ports you'd expect. 2 high pressure ports, one on either side of the main barrel. You've also got 7 low pressure ports, 6 around the outside of the fixed top barrel, and also the high flow port right on the end, so you get maximum flow out of it. It is a fully balanced piston design using a very high flow piston. It's also environmentally sealed, unlike a lot of piston designs. It has this cap running over the balancing chamber, which is packed full of O2 safe grease. So it really helps keep the cold out, and also contamination that might get in there, sort of deteriorate the parts inside. It's made of brass and stainless steel, and obviously coated brass parts as well. Comes in DIN, as you can see here, which is a 300 bar, and also the 232 bar A clamp as well. So it's the main portion of the regulator, providing most of the performance. A high flow rubber hose is provided, and then that all comes down to the Z3 second stage. It joins with a very smooth, comfortable knuckle style swivel. It is very free flowing. There's no sort of resistance moving on that at all, so it's very comfortable in the mouth. Coated PVD finish as well, so it's really tough, much more resistant than a standard sort of brass coated finish. A coating is also on the metal ring around the face cover as well. Face cover is a dual material plate really, so the whole thing can be used as a purge button, so it's really quick to use. It also gives it lots of strength to prevent any sort of accidental fluttering if you're in strong currents. So the matte type finish is a soft material, and the glossier finish is the more rigid material. Fully balanced again, so you've got great performance at any depth, any salinity pressure. It's very consistent. Inhalation adjustment on the side, so if the need arises, you can reduce the performance of the regulator just by winding it in. It's a very rapid adjustment. So it only screws a couple of times all the way around, unlike a lot of regulators. So it goes from maximum to maximum very quickly. It does have venturi control, like most other regulators, but this one is an automated system. You use a series of balanced like chambers and vanes to automatically control the airflow inside. So if it's on the surface, it will be in a more safety orientated position to make sure that the regulator doesn't free flow as you're jumping in. But as you dive down, the pressure increases, which changes the direction of the vane, and it gives you a much more optimized flow. So it's giving you a really good balance against safety and performance at any time. On the bottom, nice, really compact exhaust cover, which really helps deflect the bubbles away from the face. It really hugs around the front and the side, doesn't really create much bulk or drag in the water, but because it extends back further and wraps around the chin, it really helps draw those bubbles up around the side of the face. So really good for photographers or anyone who just really doesn't want the bubbles going in front of their face. Nice compact housing to the regulator itself, obviously makes it nice, sort of drag free in the water. It's also very light, which also makes it really good on the jaw. And finally, the mouthpiece is a dual density mouthpiece. So basically it's got tear resistant tabs on the grips. The silicone itself is really soft, very comfortable to use, but just on the grips, got this harder wearing silicone built into the grips, which just really prevents you biting through or tearing through the mouthpiece, so it gives it much longer life. Again, a combination of coated brass, stainless steel and titanium components in there. So really, really high quality metals and materials. Makes it a really, really high performing regulator. So if you're looking for something that is ultra high performing and just says this is the best product in the world, Atomic is a definite brand to look for, and this is the Z3 regulator.